Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show you step by step how to book flight ticket in ITA Airways. Go to Google, search for ITA Airways. This is the keyword. Click the first website here. Scroll down, you will see this ticket, for example, Argentina. This place, just click book now if you want to go to this place. In this case, you will redirect it to this page. Choose the price calendar from here, travel, classic, business or first. Choose your available from London, for example. Choose any plan, choose your date, and then click on one way, this option. After that, click explore or scroll down, choose all the details here, and then when you complete this one, as you can see here, click one way, and then click explore. After that, you will see also offer and destination. This is for the best offer. Select this one, click this icon, and then click one way. After that, choose your date you want to go travel. This one, as you can see here, choose just the date and click search for flight. After that, you will see availability here, and then this is destination, as you can see here, and then click just await from here, scroll down, choose this plan you want to go, and then click select. After that, from this page, select your date or details here, and then click you can add additional package, and then click select. So basically this is for request. Just add your payment and pay this amount, and then you can easily book. As you can see here, select your all details, business class, set, and then enter your passenger details. After that, complete all details here and confirm here. Click term conditions. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you.